Alright guys, as you can see, we've got our equipment installed in our rack now. So, kind of cool, eh? Big exciting day. Figured I'd just show you guys what's going on. There we go. Alright, so we are in the process of getting the first cabinet, the test box online. So it's out here on the tower right now, and as you can see, it's not very happy because it's under voltage right now. It's not 54 volts. It's going to be interesting how this holds up in the cold, because the chips that are in it are only good down to minus, I think actually they're only good down to 0. So we'll have to check that, see how they work out, but I'm going to give it a shot anyway. I mean, we may modify it and harden it for cold weather by putting different chips in it, but chances are we're probably going to pull this thing out and put a different switch in there. It's just our test basically. But this is our outdoor test cabinet, and we're about to bring it online. There we go. Alright, so now we're ready to switch over. We're moving our hex PoE. So the hex PoE cable right here. I'm gonna unplug that, which is only 24. Now we need to plug in the, this is where this cable comes in. This is our 54 volts out to the tower. So this guy is now decommissioned. There we go. Done. Another part of the puzzle, right? So, crap, this one laptop on. That's not good, my battery's going to be dead. Focus. Alright, so we got some new labels made up here for the new links. Make sure that you label these things. This is the label maker I'm using. It's a Rhino Pro 3000, and I've got the heat shrink tubes in it, so it works pretty good. Yeah. Alright, so I just enabled the ports on here, and that's a weird refresh, right? But yeah, ports are enabled, everything's working out. So just gonna do a quick test, then head outside and button her up and make sure that we got good power out there. So yeah, it's cool. So everything over here is powering everything the way that it should, and we're just about ready to rock. Alright, so I think we found a little bug in this unit.
You talking about just a...
Yeah, like it's not showing wattage, or it's not measuring current now, but...
The multimeter? Oh yeah, well that little Chinese piece of magical machine probably isn't
yeah,
sort of cold.
No, but hey, you know what? It was for experimental purposes. This is most of this, so
looks cool.
It's nice and tidy now.